Hi guys. I'm in beautiful Hawaii, can you tell? I'm gonna go and dig up some turmeric. I've never seen turmeric in its real state. I just buy it at the store. So this is amazing. So we're gonna go dig up some organic turmeric. Let's go. We've arrived. Okay, so it's right somewhere. Here it is. Look at that. Look at that. Can you believe it? This is turmeric. I'm gonna grab it. Oh my God. Look. This is the turmeric that you buy in the store. This is how it grows. It grows in the ground like this. Wow. So as I keep digging around here, look, they're everywhere. Do you see these? Look. They grow like crazy. So turmeric, you guys. In Ayurvedic medicine, this is like one of the #1 herbs they use for healing everything. Turmeric is phenomenal. Always put turmeric in your juice. If you have your juicer and you're juicing, do that ginger turmeric combo because this turmeric is such a healer. It is one of my favorite things. It's pretty strong. I wouldn't even use this much in my smoothie. I'd use about half that much because it's really strong, but it's really good. I'll see what else I can find. Okay, see you guys.